how to turn on or turn off highlight buttons on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. Then in Quick Settings, we tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And in here, we tap on Accessibility. From here, tap on Vision Enhancements. Then we scroll down and tap on Highlight buttons. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or turn on highlight buttons. Now tap on the left-hand side panel to take a look what it looks like when you turn on or turn off highlight buttons. This is a preview window, so it will highlight text on buttons to make them easy to recognize. Alright, so after that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.